Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
Kajem opukwa asemi to obedi mata mun kaje champila say meme channel company law ewo Central University. Oya kwala champia le meme law yampa me channel na de. Na mun kan channel say mo gbevolate mo national security capo no me channel na de o Central University. O de ahye. And NDC fo a match o de bebre mo regional chairman phone bebre me sure my dear was Central University. I was teaching company law and business law. What did I say? James Fonu, I can name them. Bola Remu Niame Chama dear. Bola Remu Niame Chama dear. NDC party, no half of the people me Chama dear. Some Okujato, sister Mechana dear. Mechana dear undim. Now be school, some Kujato. Most of the MPDC members, Mon penny phone in the Mechama dear. What are you talking about? And I know the party inside and outside. So I know the strength of the Ahoys. And the Ahoys for that Kenya Moho. Omo Jomo party. And the reason why Omo Jomo party, they don't trust Mahama. Mahama had destroyed the Northern party. He has weakened the Northness in the party. What did I say? And say na uba NDC mo a Northness na o me potential mama adum muja Haruna edusu. And if you say ni mo name them the Northern kokosa they are powerful no Muntaka mu nia no mama destroy no. So there's no hope for the North, for the NDC. The Northern youth no has been destroyed by Mahama ambition, selfish ambition to just win power for 4 years. I don't care about the future. Mahama has never cared about the future because, like I said him say, he doesn't have future with the party. And what is happening to Mahama today? Mahama doesn't have future. I mean, the party was not born by Mahama. Which I say, he's not the promoter. He was not the originator. He just jumped into only passion. The kind of passion that Lawrence have for the party. The kind of passion that when I say Guzitano mo have the party, the kind of passion Ahoy Bades mo have for the party, the kind of passion the Chachuketes have the party. Mama Nibi, Mama de Betono. O de I say Ahoy Hefono, Omo catch Mama say, "Wo Mama, why you lucky?" So Atamas I didn't buy no. Ni je nim so bewu. But yeah, pushing a crown na ehu so bewu. Enti wo kra o be vice no. Na enya ya say the party no ma. Na ebeto because Mills yare no be wu and the party the mao until we win we take over no and now your opportunity as an incumbent now winning 2012 elections no but a party that they think that you are capable, you have the experience, you have the temperament, you have the integrity to lead the party. The Hoys have never trusted Mahama. So same today they've pushed Mahama to take Mama Jane, the professor, the old lady, 74 years, to be the future of the party. In the future, NDC for Momo party, the future, the youth, what the House have done, destroying the party. And because of selfish interest of Mahama, Mahama could not stand the Ahoys. Because I come say, wow, Mahama, who could 70 plus, who could 70 plus. Now, say you have only 4 years to go. Why don't you turn and look at the younger ones, like Haruna Dusu, like when I say Sylvester Mensamo, like Okovanda Poimo, the young ones, the brilliant ones. You sacrifice all of them because of your selfish interest, knowing that you are becoming weaker and weaker on a daily basis, and they always realize that they don't care about you. Because Ahoy Fono information mo when they say Mama Hono, eso. And we may ram camp mo. They've detected say the president has a health condition. And that health condition is only surviving on one organ of the body, mean body. Because mama no munsa, no mansa, no munsa, no munsa. I cigarette insa. On the kasa no nyana juice obey president too. A bully boy. School term lost, school term lost. Mama started so no munsa. Adiba kwana mama nyano we. But no, any cigarette ho. Any map then they need ho. See mama was chasing a lot of girls at that time. He didn't have a presidential ambition. And then Sanum no say enough na the new grand Sanuma a deeper one no num bukutu onum bukutu enum and when I say insana akano bukutu nianom onum sa na efe de enso no ana ode vodka any apetishika kra ide fra odi ase na ode fra ye na efe de ode fra na onum anye ye man kokko enti mama num sasa
Hey, development now pet dia de Biameka. After hearing Dr. Bawumia this Wednesday coming, the 7th, after hearing him say one falling in love with Dr. Bawumia, ne niswadie hu ne intellect, ne understanding of issues, baby or person de Ghana kwa. Na braubwa. You just want your political party to come to power. It's not about development, which is fine. Mutie. Say also we a lawyer, doctor, teacher, JDM, we a wanyo, baby a free baby ara. Every walk of life. After listening to Dr. Bawumia on Wednesday, 2 days pe Marinfi. After listening to Dr. Bawumia on Wednesday, say what would we say your love for Ghana and Kenya ibio. Say your patriotism and sorry biwa. Now it's not about Ghana, but your own interest. Minya. Okay. Dr. Bawumia ye nipe bia won. Me de bia meka se he na na do nyame nhyira no. Say ye ma papa we hwere yen Ghana for. Say ye ma papa we ye koye sa ye NDC normal politics na we nko we fairly sa basa no say ye pa ba mu abakeke no. Na ye ma papa we hwere yen. Oh, Ghana be ye mobo. Na re ho sem we be ya ende me pese muti asem bi yi pa. Are ho sem we be ye ne say obey president ya and obi antie sa asem we na muntie ni yi. Only global leaders eco have that type of interaction, finding business opportunities, finding contracts and stuff for our country. Bear in mind, most of these global leaders they know who John Dramani Mahama is. And his credibility is not solid in their eyes. In the picture, say yakoto about 2024 we. Now Ghana for person ye ne ebia kurobi to say Japan ekoye agreement. Now so enam the past record of John Dramani Mahama Ntino, they can't guarantee him. Do you people know what we are asking for? You know the laughing stock Ghana will be should we make a mistake and go bring John Dramani Mahama all because we had the 8 years. I know we had the 8 years. Guys, Mamo Mayen Konom saying reference you know, Mepamucho. Because global leaders would not even want to rub shoulders with him. Okay? Monkeys play by side, so let me get that clear. John Dramani Mahama's credibility in the international market and yafe. Na yemme who say sebe. Hey, almost your mom pay but they want who? Oh, and who is the president of Ghana? Ghana want to do agreement with Europe, Germany. No maba fresh kratchit that ustek is you yate. Yenchre mumrem